A very good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, second chapter, the web of life. The web of life. So, very nice lesson and very motivational lesson is this story. We are going to read a story. Okay, the web of life. Overview of the lesson. First, we will see. Today we are going to read a story about a hardworking spider. Okay, we are going to we are going to see about a spider, and then next learn words to describe people, places and objects. Next we are going to do is adjectives. Okay, how to describing words, describing people, places and objects. Then using words in place of naming words, that is pronoun. We are going to see pronoun. Okay, so we are going to enter into the story about the web of life. Okay, before that we will do activity 2.1. It is in studio page number 17. Okay, you have to read the following steps. Look at the pictures, try these exercises. You're going to try these exercises at home. Okay, exercise 1, stretch both your arms up. You're going to stretch both your arms up, slowly bend forward and go down. You have to follow the picture. First stretch your arms, then bend, then touch. Try to touch your feet. Don't bend your knees. You should not bend your knees. You have to try to touch your feet. This is your first exercise. Now second exercise, take your right hand behind your head. See, right hand behind your head. Try to touch your nose with your fingers. Try to touch your nose with your fingers. Try till you can do it. Okay, until you try it till you succeed. Okay, try till you succeed, children. Okay, try this exercise, you will enjoy it. Then were the exercise easy to do? It is in page number 18. Circle your answer. Okay, you have to circle the answer. If yes, you have to tick yes. If no, you have to tick no. Did you give up easily or did you keep trying? You have tried until you succeed, or you have told no, I can't do like that. Just you can discuss with your parents, and in Zoom meeting also we will discuss about this. Okay, so yes, we will enter. This is a story about the king and the spider. The king name is King Robert Bruce, and the spider, hardworking spider. King Robert Bruce, who was living in Scotland. So that time there was a war between two countries. So they were fighting a lot, but King Robert Bruce was defeated. He lost the war and he ran away from Scotland. Okay, he ran away from Scotland and he came to a forest. He came to a forest and he was very sad because he was defeated. He was very sad that time. So when he was looking up, he saw a spider. In the forest. It was spinning a web. He saw a spider. It was spinning a web. So it was spinning a web. He saw when it was spinning the web, there was a strong wind was blowing. There was strong wind. So the spider fell down. And the web tore. But again the spider climbed up and started to spin the web. Yes, again it was trying. Then next what happened? Again the wind blew. Again the spider fell down. Again he climbed up. Likewise many times it happened. So the king was watching that spider continuously what it was doing. So the king told the spider, why are you trying so much? You give up, you leave it. the wind is so hard, it is so strong, so you can't spin the web, it is very difficult. But spider didn't listen. Again it tried. The seventh time it finally built the web. Yes, it has succeeded. So the king understood. Yes, king understood, and he was thinking, yes, even a little spider can do this much hard work, and this much willingness it has, and is not giving up. Never, it is not giving up, it is trying again and again. At last it succeeded. Yes, the spider was succeeded. So king thought, and he told to the spider, yes, I will fight against the that country, and I will win the war, and I will save my country. Like that, he told, and I will never give up. Like that he told to the spider, and at last he told the spider, you taught me a great lesson today. Thank you so much. You taught me a great lesson today. What lesson it taught? Did not give up. Never give up. Yes, never give up. So we must try again and again until we succeed. Achieve our goal. Okay, the King Bruce has learned a lesson. What lesson? Did not give up. Never give up. So try and try till you succeed. Okay, never give up. So I think you will now enjoyed this lesson. So hereafter, if anything difficult situation comes to you, you have to try, and you have to get the result. Okay, you should never give up. No, I can't do this sum. No, I can't do this activity. You should not say. You should try, and whatever you know, that you have to write, children. Okay, so meanings, it is in the red box. Studio page number 18. War. What is war? A fight between two or more groups of countries. Spin. Make, build. Web. A trap made by a spider to catch food. Okay, these are the meanings you have to learn. Yeah, spider came. Yes, now activity 2.2. It is in studio page number 19 and 20. Look deep activity. What did King Bruce learn from the spider? Discuss. Tick the lines from the story that tell you this. You may choose more than one. Okay, what did the king learn from the spider? Now we have to, first one I am reading. The spider did not give up. Correct. The spider did not give up. So it is correct. The little spider did not try hard. No, wrong. It was trying. The spider is very brave. Yes, it is very brave. The spider is lazy. No, it is not lazy. Wrong. The spider showed the king that he must fight back. Yes, it showed. Yes, it tried again and again. So the King Bruce, Robert Bruce, learned the lesson. Yes, I should fight back, and I should win the war, and I should save my country. Yes. Describe the lesson King Bruce learned. What lesson the King Bruce learned? Never give up. We should never give up. Yes, King Bruce learned from the spider to keep trying and not to give up easily. He also learned that he should be brave and fight back for his country. Yes, this is the lesson he learned. It is in page number 20. This you have to write it in page number 20. Studio page number 20. Yes, children? Yeah. Yes. So, yeah, riddle for you. The spider is asking a riddle. Yes, it is asking a riddle. What has many keys but can't open the door? What has many keys but can't open the door? Think. The answer is waiting for you. So, children, you should never give up. You should not say I don't know the answer. No, you must try. You must try and think, and you get the answer. Okay, children? Never give up. Yes. Now, activity 2.4. It is in studio page number 21 and 22. Think and ink. You are going to think and you are going to write it. Use the given clues to name 3 insects or animals. 3 insects or animals. They are also known to work hard. These animals also work very hard. Okay, first one. This is a tiny insect. Tiny is very small insect. It is usually black or red in color. It is a tiny insect. It is in 2 color. One is black and one is red in color. It likes to eat sugar. What is that? Can you guess, children? Yes, it is a ant. It is a ant. So it also works very hard. Yes, correct? Yes. Now second one. This animal is called the beast of burden. It brays. It makes a sound like this. Like this. It makes a sound. What is this? A donkey. Yes, it is a donkey. It beast of burden. It carries burden. Yes, cloths and all burden. Mutter. Yes, it carries a burden. Now third one. This insect builds hives. Hives is honey bee builds. No, that honey we will get from that. That is hives. There is honey inside these hives. What is this? Honey bee. What is this insect name? Honey bee. Yes. Fourth one. This is a little worm that lives under the ground. It eats dirt. It lives under the earth. What is that? Earthworm. Earthworm. Okay, earthworm. Next, why do we say that they work hard? Discuss with your partner. You can discuss with your parents, and we will discuss in the Zoom meeting also. Okay, they are very they work hard because in the summer season or rainy season they can't come out, and because they are slow, they work very slowly, so it takes more time to get the food. So now itself they will start, and rainy season they will keep the food and safely in their houses. Now page number 21. Page number 22, sorry children. What do you work hard for? Share it with your partner. For example, with your family members you can share. I practice this guitar every day. I want to play it well. So like this example you can write. Many more example is there. I love to do painting work. I do some small coloring work every day. I want to become a good artist. Like that, anything you can write, children. So like I want to become a teacher. So now itself you can practice, like writing on the board, small things, and speaking, like that you can practice. So you can write anything what you work hard for. Then for doing any sums, you work hard solving many sums, and you at last you get the answer. So for what you work hard, that you have to write it here. Your efforts, write about your efforts. Here you have to write it. Okay children, understood? Yes. Now literature part, companion activity 2A. It is in page number 13. Page number 13 you have to do it. Very easy and very interesting too. I will read for you. Observe people around you. You are going to observe the people around you at home, or your neighbor, or your relatives. Identify 2 people. You are going to identify 2 people who you think do not give up easily. Yes, they work very hard. They do not give up easily. They will get the result anyhow. They work hard as much as they can, and they get the result. So like that, 2 people you are going to identify. You are going to find it. This can be a parent, a teacher, a friend, a househelp, or anyone. Name each person. Give a description of each person in the given space. Yes, understood? So person 1, first person you are going to person 1 name you have to write there. For example, any name like Padmavati or any name. So what description about her, how she works hard, like she's for example, she is your sister, she has lot of patience. Yes, lot of patience, a great hardworking woman, like that description you can write. Or she works hard, she cooks very well, anything. So she tries in new ideas, like that, anything you can write. About your father you can write. So who never gives up and they get the result, that person name you have to write it here. Okay. Number 2 also same, two persons you have to write. Identify 2 people. Okay, 2 person name, only one I have given here. Second one you have to write two, or both of one person 1 and person 2 you have to complete it, children. Okay, choose one person from the 2. Okay, 2 persons you have written now. From that, one person you have to choose. Ask them to narrate a situation in their life where they did not give up, and you have to ask them a situation where they never give up, any situation. Okay, where they never give up, where they never give up and they got the result, and they got a good result, that. So give a title for their experience. Say for example, yes, they were waiting for any result, like any result or something. So you can write patient, very patient person, like that. So then in teaching, for example, your sister or brother or sibling, anybody, your friend, got scolding from the teacher for not getting the result, or not getting the sums, not getting the answer. But again and again he or she tried again and he got the right answer. So you can write humble person, hardworking person, like that, anything you can write, children. Understood? So understood the activity, write it, observe it, read the activity, and write the answer, children. Okay, yes. Now next is the classwork part, classwork writing. You're going to write lesson 2, the web of life, new words. Yes, new words. First letter capital, other all small letter. Cursive handwriting, you should write in cursive handwriting, children. First one, spider. Second, stretch. Third, exercise. Fourth, knees. Fifth, hungry. Sixth, happen. Seventh, fight. Eighth, alone. Ninth, thought. 10th, Scotland. So these are the new words. You are going to write it in the classbook, children. New Roman letter, new page. Second Roman letter, new page, children. Give synonym of brave, strong. Brave, strong. Who was brave in the story? The spider. Yes. Then after getting the lesson from the spider, the king Robert Bruce also became brave. War, fight between two groups of countries. Spin, build. Web, a trap made by a spider. Jungle, forest. Yes, these are the synonym you're in the new page. New words first, then synonyms, new page. New Roman letter, new page. Yes, home fun. Today is home fun. Complete studio activity 2.1, 2.2, 2.4. It is in page number 17 to 22. Then complete companion activity 2A. It is in page number 13. Then classwork writing, Roman letter 1 and 2, that is new words and synonyms. Then weekly test 4, you have to write classwork, lesson 1, Roman letter 5 and 6. Classwork, lesson 1, Roman letter 5 and 6, that is tense and word building. You are going to study well for the weekly test. Okay? Yes, spider is writing the homework, children. Yes. Yeah. Now next, puzzle answer. Yes, riddle. Yes, it is a piano. It has many keys. Can you see? These are the keys, but it cannot open the door. That is a piano. Yes. Yes. Thank you, children. Yes, it was a very useful story, very wonderful story. I think you also learnt a lesson from the spider. And you should never give up, children. You should work hard. Don't give up. And thank you so much. And complete your work on time. Submit it. Activity name is given now. There you submit it. Studio means studio, classwork means classwork, and weekly test means weekly test. In that you are going to submit it. Go to the activity and add option, response option, add will be there you click it and you add file your images. Okay, children, thank you so much, and write your weekly test very well. All the very best. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much.